Hey guys, welcome to my channel Travel with Tonian, and today I'm going to share with you my mom's traditional Jamaican Christmas cake recipe, or rum cake as some people like to call it. Now this recipe is what she has been using for many years, and a lot of people have been asking me to share the recipe, so let's get to it. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cream the butter. You're going to mix 1 pound of unsalted butter to 1 pound of brown sugar in a large bowl with a wooden spoon, or you can use an electrical mixer. I prefer the electrical mixer because it's so easy to use. Mix this mixture until it has a creamy, light, puffy texture. So you're gonna add to this mixture 4 large eggs, 1 tablespoon lime juice. Get 1 large lime to zest to 1 teaspoon. Now here are the 2 magic ingredients that every Jamaican Christmas cake must have. I'm talking about the JRNF white rum and the red label wine. Now the cake is not complete without these 2 ingredients. So we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of JRNF white rum and 2 cups of red label wine to the mixture. Now that we have added our magic ingredients, we are going to measure out 8 ounces of all-purpose flour. Then we're going to transfer that flour into a sieve and sieve the flour out into the mixture. Once the flour is added, we are going to mix the mixture very well. You're now going to add 8 ounces of breadcrumbs, 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Use a sieve to add to the mixture. Another key ingredient that makes our Jamaican Christmas cake so special is the soaked fruits. Now these fruits are soaked for at least 7 days. For some people, they will soak them 6 months to a year. The longer they are soaked, the better they taste. Now to make this mixture, you'll need 1 cup of prunes, 1 cup of raisins, 1 cup of dried cherries, half cup of currants, 1 cup of red label wine, and half of cup of JRNF wine. You're going to blend all these ingredients together and store. Now we're going to add 2 cups of the fruits to the mixture, half teaspoon ground allspice, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of Grace browning, 1 tablespoon of almond flavoring. Now once we have added the flour, we're going to mix well. Now this part is the hardest part because the mixture is really thick. We have to make sure that the mixture has that rich consistency in texture. Now we got to grease those elbows, guys, so it's gonna be hard. We're going to place the mixture into our baking tin. You have to make sure that you butter the inside of the tin so it doesn't stick to the tin. We're going to bake at 350 degrees for 1.5 hours. Now my mom usually places a large tin with water in the oven to help keep the cake moist while baking. This is totally optional, guys, you don't have to do it. After the 1.5 hours is up, we're going to add some white rum to the cake, and this must be done while the cake is hot. So just pour as much white wine as your heart desires. And that's it, guys, a simple, easy Jamaican cake recipe. If you like this recipe, please like this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel as yet, please do so. Hit that notification button to stay tuned to more Jamaican inspired content. Thank you guys so much for watching.